Good day everyone. Today we're going to tackle about the indigenous tribes of Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao Region 14. In this presentation, we will explore the rich cultural heritage of two prominent indigenous tribes in the ARMM region, the Yakan and Teruray tribe, and we will delve into their unique histories, traditions, and the challenges they face in preserving their cultural identities. The Autonomous Region in Muslim Mindanao, or the ARMM, is a region in the southern Philippines located in the island of Mindanao. It is composed of five provinces: Maguindanao, Lanao del Sur, Sulu, Tawi-Tawi, and Basilan. The ARMM is home to a diverse array of indigenous tribes, each with their own distinct cultural practices and traditions. Let's talk about the first tribe, the Yakan tribe. Yakan tribe is one of the indigenous groups residing in the ARMM, primarily in the province of Basilan. They are known for their vibrant and intricate textile weaving, which is an integral part of their cultural identity. The Akan people have a rich history, tracing their origins back to the Sulu archipelago and the Malay Peninsula. The traditional Yakan clothing, such as the malong and the barot saya, are highly symbolic and reflect their cultural heritage. Yakan art and crafts, including their intricate beadwork and wood carving, are imbued with deep meaning and symbolism. The music and dance play a crucial role in Yakan culture, with traditional instruments like the kulintang and the agung being central to their cultural celebrations. Okay, let us proceed to the next tribe, the Taruray tribe. Taruray tribe is another indigenous group in the ARMM, primarily in the province of Maguindanao. They are known for their traditional livelihood practices, which include farming, hunting, and gathering. The Taruray have a unique social structure and governance system, with elders and traditional leaders playing a significant role in their communities. The Chirai tribe have a rich spiritual belief system, which includes animistic practices and the veneration of nature spirits. Their cultural practices, such as the pag-ambit, a traditional storytelling ritual, and the pag-inom, a communal drinking ceremony, are deeply rooted in their cultural heritage. The Chirai are also known for their intricate basket weaving and the production of traditional musical instruments. The Yakan and Terurai tribes have distinct cultural identities. They share some commonalities in their traditions and values. Both tribes place a strong emphasis on community, family, and the preservation of their cultural heritage. However, there are also notable differences in their social structures, economic activities, and spiritual beliefs. The Yakan and Tarurai tribes, like many other indigenous communities, face various challenges in the modern era, including the erosion of traditional practices, land rights issues, and the impact of globalization. Despite these challenges, there are ongoing efforts to preserve and promote the cultural heritage of these tribes, including the establishment of cultural centers, the revitalization of traditional arts and crafts, and the advocacy for indigenous rights. So, the Yakan and Taruray tribes are just two examples of the rich cultural diversity found within the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao Region 14. Their unique histories, traditions, and ways of life are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of indigenous communities in the face of change. By understanding and celebrating the cultural heritage of these tribes, we can contribute to the preservation of their legacies and support the rights of indigenous peoples in the Philippines. So that's all. Thank you.